Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get verified on Parlor. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Parlor application and then you will be taken into the sign in as well as sign up page. Now during the sign up process, you will need to verify your account by opening up your email for the email address that you used. So tap on the sign up button and enter your desired email address followed by your desired password for your account. After typing your password, enter it once again to confirm it, and then tap on the checkbox and tap on the sign in button to create your new account. After tapping on this button, you will be allowed to select your profile. And after you set up your profile, you will receive an email within the email address that you used to sign up, which is the verification email. So simply open up this email and you will find the link that will verify your account. Go ahead and tap on this link, and now you will receive a notification telling you that your email has successfully been verified. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to get verified on the Parlor application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.